It.
I want to do it all.
You wanted to say something, Anshi?
Don't do this without an added superhero power.
Oh.
Don't do this
Without your?
Don't do this without. Hi guys, today we are making pizza.
Oh, okay. So we are not using today for pizza. I'm not using this flour maida. We are using wheat flour. So 2 cups of wheat flour, and even we are not using soda. That's right, Sohami. And we will use this yogurt. You can use any curd.
Ooh, yummy.
This is 3/4 cup of yogurt.
I want to eat it now.
You want to eat this now? So Swami likes yogurt
Can
so
I
much.
put it in?
Yeah, you can add this 2 cups. Already 1 cup was there, so 1 more cup. And she has added wheat flour. So let's mix it together. You can
Okay.
use any
Put in
yogurt,
this.
Greek yogurt, not necessary to be
Okay, I want.
particular type of yogurt.
Can
So,
I mix it? Okay.
so just.
I will put it. Now she will mix
So make sure you have washed your hands thoroughly.
it. See, my hands
Yeah,
are
hands are so
sparkly.
clean.
Now I'm mixing it.
Okay, mix it.
Mix, 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 mix. Can you mix it? Okay. Now
Okay,
it's
so
all ready.
the dough will be like this. You need to mix it at least for 5 minutes. Okay, if it is required, we'll add
See,
little
I
bit.
can lift it all of it. Yeah, it's like.
Yeah,
Can we add more?
yeah. Add some more, 2-3 drops.
Yes.
Hmm.
One, two, three.
So because today this is Parents' Day, so Anshi and Swami wanted to help me for lunch.
Yes.
So we are doing this.
We will don't buy pizzas. We are making.
Oh,
pizza.
today we are not. Swami likes pizza so much,
Me too.
especially cheese pizza.
Me too. This is cheese pizza.
So you need to mix it at least for
I'm
5 minutes. Yes.
We both have that.
Yes, I did it 2 portions so that you both can mix it.
Yeah. Yay! I'm doing in this bowl and she's doing in that one.
Okay.
Mom doing this.
Mix it.
Oh, I will do it now. You just have to play with it
Hmm.
like that.
Let me touch how it is.
Yes.
Yes. You can do like this here. Here.
Yes, we need to mix it gently.
Gently, yes. Mix it gently.
That head don't do sticky.
It should not be sticky at the end. That is the main reason we are mixing it more.
Can you do it? I'm rolling it. I'm making a big
I think you need little more. Swami,
Okay.
this one you can sprinkle here. This
See, I'm rolling.
I am using only wheat flour, so just for dusting purpose I am using flour, the maida, refined flour.
Hey, this is too sticky.
So you have to
this in there. Now I'm mixing like that.
mix.
I don't put it down because it's too much atta.
Too much atta is there.
Oh, it stick to my finger.
So Anshi, you can take this dust little bit from here.
Okay, then let's switch.
Let's
Give
switch.
me there.
Yes.
Ooh, that's
Yeah, and she is doing really good. She is putting all her hard work. You are also doing good.
I can't see.
So this is Sohami's version.
I'm
It's quite soft. Okay. And this is Anshi's version. Okay, the 2 balls are there. So this is they are only going to eat. We will roll it. So it has to be circle.
Then I put it in here, then I flatten a little
Yes, it. So look at Anshi's effort. She is really putting so much effort.
bit. Hands.
Oh, you will do it with hands. Okay, so
It's almost a circle.
now we need your favorite vegetables. little bit tomato ketchup and cheese.
I'm putting
They don't like any vegetables, so we are not going to put any vegetable on top of
See my flathead.
Yes.
See mine.
on this
It's
pizza.
big.
Only
It's
cheese
small.
pizza.
And
So we have taken this pan, and Anshi, you need to add 2-3 drops of
Okay.
oil.
I need
That's
the
it.
balance
So
now.
much. Okay.
Here you go.
So
A bowl.
spread it across, and now
Hey,
you
first
need
we
to
have to put
add
ketchup.
here
First we have to put
Okay,
ketchup.
and
Me. नहीं दीदी अपने में
just
लगाएंगे.
like
ना,
that.
अपने में.
Okay.
अभी तुमको नहीं लगाना है.
First we'll cook it.
This.
Now Swami's turn. One pizza is cooking there. So Swami is
See
rolling.
my flattened.
This is so round. Okay, great.
Now like it.
So basically its size should be
This.
your pan size. It is cooked little bit one side. I turned it. That's right. It is looking like roti, but it will be pizza. So you need to add topping now. You have to be very careful as pan is really hot. So as this pan is very hot, so I help them to spread this one. So it has to be like this.
Let's put the cheese now.
Yeah. So let's add the cheese. Anshi, can you add the cheese?
Yes. I put it
your
one
side.
just like yellow
It's too far.
Hey, you just forgot. I will do it for you.
Okay.
This is there.
Okay, so let me pour into. You can use any of your favorite cheese. You can use even cheese slices. I have prepared with
That's more
using
mine.
cheese slices also, but this is shredder cheese. So
We can put
people who
more.
don't know, yes. Okay, that's nice.
That's a lot of cheese.
That's lots of cheese
I
on
want
it.
one.
Just okay. We will again start cooking it.
Cooking
Yeah, so I will add little bit
of oil.
oils.
This is olive oil, but you can use any oil.
Right, and little bit of this sparkling basil leaves.
Yay, I'm so excited!
So we covered it, let it cook for 5 to 7 minutes on very low flame. While cooking, look at the texture. So I suppose this is done, so I will take it out. Transfer here. Oh, wow.
Wow, that's super.
So you can see here, it's all cooked. Because Swami, come. I don't have pizza cutter, so just cut it like this.
Didi, that's good.
So we got few slices like this. So Swami, which one you want to take? This one?
I
Okay.
want to take that one.
Okay.
Because this is the smallest.
Smallest one, and you are the smallest one.
Yes,
Okay,
this
fine.
is that now.
So we have kept another one for cooking each. So how hot?
Wait.
How is this? So, is it good? Did you like it?
Let me try
Okay,
it.
fine. Swami will also try.
Wow, it's
So another one. So Swami, it's Swami's turn. So Swami will add. Swami is going to add. Yes. Okay, now spread it. You want to spread or so this time we added corn and
onion.
onions. Now Swami will add cheese
It's
all
good.
over.
Me too.
I'll help you. You want to eat also? So we'll add like this. I will spread it. Yeah, I will
I
spread.
want to do it
You
all.
wanted to say something, Anshi?
Don't do this without an adult superhero power.
Oh.
Don't do this
Without your
Don't
without
do
your
this
mom
without
or dad.
or your grandma.
It's
Or
not
your
for small
grandpa.
kids alone. Okay, done. So we will keep this on
You
cooktop.
can make Pizza yourself. Your pizza.
Yes. Let's cut it. It has onion, so I'm not sure if they'll eat it.
I'm coming.
So let's cut it and do.
I want to taste it now.
Okay.
Delicious.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye bye.